to turn on antivirus on Windows 11, first navigate to your start menu and tap on it and continue to click on settings. Under settings on the left panel, make sure to tap on privacy and security. Then with this selected, continue to tap on Windows security, and this is where the magic will happen. As you could currently see, the virus and threat protection is currently off, so I've been prompted that actions needed. So when I tap on it, I'll have to make sure everything that I toggled it off in the past, I need to toggle it on. So with the virus and threat protection, I need to make sure that this is turned on, and then scroll down a bit under virus and threat protection update, make sure to tap on it again. After that, make sure to tap on manage settings. Then with this selected, when you scroll down a bit, you will see cloud delivered protection, which is currently off. Make sure it is toggled on. Then with the automatic sample submission, make sure this is also toggled on. Then you have to make sure to scroll down until you locate anything that is toggled off. You must make sure it's toggled on. So under control folder access, continue to click on it. Then currently the control folder access is toggled off. Make sure it's also toggled on. And that is it. You have successfully turned on your Windows antivirus on your PC. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.